Hello students, today we will be learning a new concept that is about MNC. MNC means multinational corporation or multinational company. So let us start with the definition first of all. What is the meaning of multinational company? Multinational company are those company which has its branches or its operation in more than uh, two or three countries. Okay, so in more than one country it will be operating its business, and it will be having its head office in a particular uh, nation, in a particular country, and rest of the business will be carried out from its branch offices or branch in various setup in various other countries. Okay, now multinational corporation, they have business throughout the world, and they bring a positive effect to the economy. They develop the economy of all the countries in the form of creating better job opportunities, then bringing up the updated technology in case of production, and then foreign investments are coming in the domestic country or in the home country, and then they can create more job opportunities, better standard of living for the country. Okay, and transnational business means business according business done in various geographical boundaries of country. Okay, so in more than one country, so that diversifies or that spreads or improves the investment in various countries. Okay, now we will be learning about how it functions in various countries or how it is operated in various countries. Okay, so here we have functioning of MNC. That means how the MNCs are operating their business in various countries. One way is that they can set up their branches in various countries, and they control those branches from their head office. Okay, and sometimes it might happen that they might not set up their branches, but they might outsource certain resources, or they might hire some resources which they can acquire in low cost. So like labor, then technology, if it is giving them a cost effective benefit, then they can just use those resources from those countries. So in that way, indirectly, it can operate in various countries. Okay, and it brings good products, technologically updated products at a lower cost. Then it improves the economic condition of the people as well as the country by bringing foreign investment. So this way they can set up their branches, or they can just hire few services from other countries and improve the economic condition of the domestic country as well as the branches of the countries. Okay, as well as the branches in which whichever countries they are operating.